There are monuments, and then there's the Taj Mahal, a structure so perfect, so poetic. It's often mistaken for legend, but what if I told you it's more than a symbol of love? What if beneath its flawless white marble lies a web of secrets of obsession, betrayal, mystery, and untold sacrifice? For over 350 years, the Taj has stood as India's crown jewel, but few know its full story. Stay with me. Over the next hour, we're going beyond the postcards and into the soul of this wonder. The year is 1631. India is ruled by Shah Jahan, the fifth emperor of the Mughal dynasty, known for his architectural ambitions. He had wealth, power, and a deep love for one woman, Mumtaz Mahal. She wasn't just a queen, she was his confidant, his muse. But during the birth of their 14th child, she died. Devastated, Shah Jahan vowed to build a tomb so magnificent, it would make the world weep. He summoned artisans from across Persia, the Ottoman Empire, and even Europe. 20,000 workers, over 1,000 elephants, 22 years of construction, all for one woman. And what they built became eternal. At first glance, the Taj Mahal is pure perfection, but the deeper you look, the more genius reveals itself. The building is perfectly symmetrical from every angle, but there's an illusion. The minarets lean slightly outward, so if an earthquake strikes, they fall away from the tomb. The dome, engineered to echo whispers across the chamber. The inlay, thousands of precious stones cut into marble like lace, jade, onyx, lapis lazuli, from China, Sri Lanka, and Afghanistan. This wasn't just architecture, it was a message in stone, a vision of paradise on earth. But perfection comes with questions. For centuries, whispers have surrounded the Taj. Some believe Shah Jahan planned a black Taj, a mirror of the white tomb on the opposite bank of the Yamuna River. But was it real, or just romantic lore? Others claim the Taj was built over a Hindu temple, Taj Mahal. Its origins were written by conquest, a claim still igniting debate in India today. There are sealed rooms beneath the monument never open to the public. Why? Preservation or secrets? One thing's certain. For all its symmetry, the Taj hides layers no tourist guide reveals. Beneath the grand dome lie the cenotaphs Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. But they're just markers. The real graves are below, in a crypt, untouched and sealed off. The chamber's design follows Islamic tradition, yet the energy inside feels different, quiet, still, sacred. Legend says Shah Jahan spent his final years imprisoned, gazing at the Taj Mahal from across the river. And when he died, he was buried beside his love. In that sense, the monument worked. Love, eternal, encased in marble. But time takes its toll. The once white marble has turned yellow. Pollution from factories, acid rain, and a dying Yamuna River threaten the very foundation. Cracks are forming. The river's erosion weakens the platform. And with millions of visitors each year, the pressure only grows. Preservation efforts are ongoing, but under scrutiny. Local communities fight for cleanup, while political tension surrounds every stone. Will the Taj survive another 350 years? From Bollywood to Hollywood, poetry to politics, the Taj Mahal is everywhere. Replicas have been built in Bangladesh, Dubai, even Texas. Songs are written about it, proposals made in front of it, paintings inspired by it. But few can replicate its soul, because what the Taj represents isn't just beauty, it's devotion. It's grief. It's the impossible attempt to freeze love in time. They say time erases all. But here in Agra, one man defied that idea. With marble, memory, and a dream. This is not just a monument, it's a message, from one heart to another, across centuries. Thank you for watching this journey. If it moved you, drop a like, share it with someone who needs beauty today, and subscribe for more untold stories from around the world.